Rizka. In this video, we will present a short dialogue discussing the government response to the disaster in Sumatra.
This discussion includes different opinions such as agreement and disagreement. We hope you enjoy the video.
Rizka, what are you doing?
I'm just waiting for the next class. How about you?
Sam here. By the way, have you followed the news about the disaster in Sumatra lately?
Yes, I have. I saw the updates from social media on the news on TV.
Honestly, sorry to say this, but in my opinion, the central government's response was a bit slow.
I understand your point, but I don't really agree. I think the government tried to respond as quickly as they could.
Sorry if this sounds too critical, but the delay in distributing aid made the victims' situation even more difficult.
I agree that helping the victims as soon as possible is very important. But on the other hand, handling a disaster of that scale is not easy.
Yeah, that's true. I also agree that coordination between the central and local governments needs to be improved to avoid confusion.
Agreed, better communication is really important, so there's no misunderstanding, especially during emergency situations.
However, I still don't really agree with how some of the aid was distributed. I think focusing on only a few areas could cause inequality.
I get your point. Sorry for interrupting, but I think prioritizing the most severely affected areas was necessary.
I can understand that, agree to some extent, but I hope the government can learn from the situation.
I agree. Learning from past mistakes and continuing to improve disaster management system in the future is important.
At least we can agree that the victims should remain the top priority and that the system needs to be improved.
Yes, cooperation and proper evaluation are the key to doing better in the future.
To conclude this discussion, so the disaster management still need improvement.
However, having different opinions help us see the issue from different perspectives.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Indonesia, police have now said that 43 people have died following flooding that's reported killed in Indonesia in floods and landslides caused by days of heavy